Force Factor Hair Growth Accelerator Review. Is it legit or a scam? So the Force Factor Hair Growth Accelerator is marketed as a supplement to promote stronger, thicker, and healthier hair, with ingredients aimed at nourishing the scalp and supporting follicle health. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers targeted formula designed to support the hair, follicles, and scalp health and even hair thickness. It also is a convenient supplement, which means it's easy to take for the capsule format. It even has a brand recognition, so it's backed by the force factor. And there are some positive reviews from users. The cons of it though is the results may vary. It has a limited clinical proof, and it even has a possible side effects. And it comes with a premium price, which can get more expensive for people. So overall, the Force Factor Hair Growth Accelerator may help improve the hair health and reduce shedding, but its effectiveness for real regrowth is inconsistent. While it could benefit some users, others may find cheaper alternatives like biotin more effective.